Hello friends, my name is Disha Hital, Ashramik Vidyalaya Killa, Pardi. Subject English, chapter Prepositions. Today we discuss prepositions. So students, you will know which are the prepositions. First of all, I explain definitions. A preposition is a word often placed before a noun, before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with some other word in the sentence. Prepositions is word often placed before noun and pronoun to relation show some other word in the sentence. First of all, prepositions. Which types of prepositions? There are three types of prepositions. Types of prepositions. There are three types of prepositions. First of all, prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction. Types of prepositions: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of directions. Prepositions of place: prepositions that give us information about the place, location, or position of a noun and pronoun in relation to something else are called prepositions of place. Prepositions of place that give us place, location, positions, noun or pronouns. And prepositions of place, the prepositions of place कौन कौन से हैं? In, at, among, behind, between, in front of, next to, over, under, above, opposite, below, beside, near, near to, close to, in, at, among, behind, between, in front of, next to, over, under, above, opposite, below and beside, near, near to, close to. ये जो prepositions हैं, ये prepositions क्या बताते हैं? Place. Place. For example, the dictionary is on the table. Monisha is standing beside her father. Place the vase between the two slaves. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time indicate time और durations. Prepositions times में क्या बताते हैं? Times और durations. और prepositions of times बताने वाले जो prepositions है वो during, for, from, to, in, on, till, from, until, within, since, after and before. For example, she arrived. Blank में क्या आएगा? At. She arrived at 4 o'clock. And I have been studying since morning. In the above sentence, at and since are prepositions of time. At indicates the exact times, whereas since indicates from when onwards. जो ये at है, at prepositions है, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में एट प्रपोजिशंस का यूज़ हुआ है, तो एट यूज़ जो हुआ है, एट क्या बताता है? प्रपोजिशंस एग्जैक्ट टाइम. प्रपोजिशंस ऑफ डायरेक्शंस. प्रपोजिशंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन गिव अस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द डायरेक्शन और मूवमेंट ऑफ पर्सन्स एंड थिंग्स. पर्सन्स एंड थिंग्स. Prepositions of direction give us information about the direction or movement of persons and things. अब directions, prepositions of direction कौन कौन से हैं? Through, across, around, up, to, towards, after, before, to the left, to the right, along, against, from of, and for. For example, the children threw stones into the pond. The monkey jumped onto the branch. He swam across the river. So students, I will write a PDF and you will send the PDF. Please you will write in your English grammar notebook and next explain prepositions in next lecture. Thank you.